So it all started with this Fatwood.
Hey guys, I'm Mark.
I'm Carrie. Welcome to our channel, The Art of Rving.
Yep.
Take a view of my shirt in case y'all didn't realize Baylor won.
Oh yeah.
The Big 12 championship yesterday.
Sickle bear. So if you're not a sub, hit that sub button.
Thanks for watching.
Instagram.
Yes, hit us up on Instagram.
And today is the quest for Fatwood. I know, can you believe it? We bought this bag. That's how it all started. She taught me into buying it.
Like I have to do everything.
And I was glad.
Because he would live in a van by the river.
Of course. And then after I got this, I started doing some research on this Fatwood, and I would buy this Fatwood in this bag again. I mean, it's serious.
It's actually skinny wood.
Yeah, and so I went on YouTube, looked up Fatwood. It's pretty crazy, so we're gonna go look for some naturally.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, and she's coming with me. Ooh.
Very reluctantly, because I really want to be inside of reading.
Yeah, okay, here we go.
Okay, here we go.
Whoa.
Big truck.
Okay, so here's Carrie. We're headed over to the woods over here to see if we can find some Fatwood.
We happen to have woods like across from our house. We're not camping.
And look,
but you could do this camping.
And look, she's carrying this little.
We're gonna collect the wood in this cute little basket.
Yeah, well, it's gonna be an honest video. We might not get any.
Hey,
oh.
There's a water bottle.
I don't know. A water bottle?
No, that would be beer.
What kind of beer? I have no idea. Quantum.
Last night. My goodness.
Look at them putting pumpkins out here.
So you can buy this Fatwood brand on Amazon. We'll link it below.
Yep.
Or you can actually find it naturally in the woods.
Yes.
So that's what we're questing for today. So we're hoping to be able to find some. We really don't know.
Yeah, we don't.
If it's over here or not. There's probably snakes.
Yeah, so that's
or
why.
Feral hogs.
That's why I brought her. In case something happens to me.
Snakes, hogs, what else?
Hope nothing happens to her. I think I found one. I think there's one right here. It's like a pine knot, but it just hadn't got off the tree yet. And you can kick them off there. We'll see. But it looks like that is a, see how that tree's completely rotted? But that one branch right there has not. So.
We'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
I'm ready.
Okay, so this is what I've learned from YouTube. Can you believe this, that we're going after some? First of all, is look where I'm standing.
Okay.
That's from living at the lake. Yeah, just see what's down there. This is rotted off, but this hasn't in here. And apparently this is supposed to be where they
pine knot?
Hardwood, yes. And this is like a pine knot, so.
Look at my man. He's so manly.
Oh.
Classic.
Hang on.
Seems like, oh, are you wait, what does it smell like?
It's like turpentine.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
It's right here.
Awesome.
Yeah, they were rats, because, oh, here's one. See that big?
Oh, yeah, it's kind of like an arm.
See how this is rotted?
Yes, but that's not.
And that's because this is full of it. And what they did with torches is apparently you can kick that thing. Oh, here goes another.
Okay, don't hurt yourself.
All right. Oh, I'm gonna saw into this thing. But I can't believe I found some first try. Oh my gosh, look at all of it.
And so, tell them what you learned about, like, doesn't the sap go down in there? And that's what makes it a natural fire starter. It looks like a turkey leg. Can you see? I don't think they can see inside. It's the lighting. It's bad.
Down here?
There, much better. It looks.
Look at that. See how moist that is? Smell it.
Oh wow, yeah, it smells like turpentine. Oh, that's cool. Okay, put it in our basket. Okay, let's
let's put it in our
green gingham basket.
Let's see what else I got down here.
I think you need to get that big one.
This one right here?
Yeah.
All right, let me see what I got.
Can y'all see the dust is like bright yellow. I don't think you can tell, but.
Yeah, and they were talking about collecting that too.
I don't think that, well, did the Indians have a saw?
Yeah, they had tree saws, like this one.
They did.
Produced in the Midwest, yeah, by Bailey Saw Company.
Oh, you're funny. Maybe it's not dead enough. Yeah. Oh, you got it. Show us. Dun, da, da.
Oh my gosh, it is all Fatwood. Look at that.
That's crazy good.
Smell that.
Oh, y'all, it's so pungent.
It smells awesome.
Oh, that's cool.
And that is, this thing probably weighs 2 pounds. 2 pounds solid of Fatwood.
Okay, put it in our basket.
Wow, we're gonna like that. our little green basket in the woods. This is the one, this was stuck into the ground up to here, and it's this tall. And apparently, I'm gonna see, they were saying that if it's stuck down in the ground, this is rotting, but this is not rotting for some reason.
The part that's in the ground?
Yes.
Preserved.
So we're just gonna see if this is Fatwood.
It looks like it.
Oh man, it's pure.
How's it smell, Mr. Turkey Leg? Yeah, look at that.
Fatwood.
Okay, enough of the smelling. Okay.
Like building models.
Yeah, he used to love to build models as a kid, y'all.
Yeah, oh yeah. Here's Carrie out in the woods in her Baylor shirt on, and her fancy shoes and her green bag. Bless her heart, she's just appeasing me.
I am, you know.
But we have found some. Okay, so we got to ride a tree.
Ride a tree.
So we're trying to find one that we can just break off.
So, you know, when he was an Indian needing a torch.
Here we go.
Okay, here we go. Nice. Oh, there you go.
Oh my gosh, look at that.
We should have brought a match.
Oh, it doesn't smell.
Maybe it's not as...
Oh wow, I just something's gonna crawl in here.
Yeah, it is.
Let me get
Something living in that one, y'all.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's saturated.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Pure Fatwood.
Would you quit with the smelling? You're gonna need, oh wait.
Iceberg.
Oh, we need to watch that.
Yeah.
Do y'all ever watch Rudolph this time of year? That's the best.
Oh my god.
The Island of Misfit Toys. Oh wow, there you go. Okay, there's all kinds of bugs.
Oh yeah. Oh my gosh, look at all that Fatwood.
Okay, now I want you to light it and run home.
Yes, I'm gonna, we're gonna go get a lighter. Oh my gosh, look at that thing. No wonder they use them as torches. Oh my gosh, look at that thing.
That's awesome.
Wow.
Okay, watch for Mark skipping through the woods. What a goober. He's got his green basket. And y'all, this is a little fun Sunday afternoon activity for sure, but you can buy it on Amazon. Yeah, kids would love it. Our son would love it, even though he's 24.
Another guy was,
Oh God, it's something. Okay, it's fine. Sorry, y'all. I didn't mean to scream.
Another guy I saw, he said if they have these things that stick off like that, and I just tested it, just laying on the ground.
What? Okay, it's just a tiny little piece.
It's Fatwood in there.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, crazy.
So Fatwood basically is pine wood that's been saturated with sap.
Yeah.
And the tree is basically dead and has fallen. And depending on the degree of decay, the better the Fatwood, honestly.
Okay, so we're going back. We're gonna light some Fatwood.
That really is the name, y'all.
Fatwood. But check out this big old piece of Fatwood I found. Now this is our kind of
that's
Fatwood.
the way I want to buy it.
Buy one done.
Linked below.
Linked below. This is our kind of Fatwood.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Okay, so I went and got the KABIN woodcracker, which
we've shown on a couple videos. We love it. It's awesome. So he's going to try to split. The saga continues.
Yeah.
What's this wood splitter called?
It's a KABIN, K-A-B-I-N.
You link it below.
I will.
Because it's awesome.
Oh, there it is.
Look how easily it splits. And that looks the kind in the bag.
Sure is. And look how much there is.
Wow.
Man, that is crazy. I wonder if I could do it again.
I bet you can.
Because they said, I saw people splitting them with hatchets down the middle and a knife. Oh man, I don't know if I can get on that.
Yeah, it's got to have enough to perch up there, doesn't it?
Oh, it did.
Oh, look at that. There's a split right down there.
It sure is.
Oh my God. You can bag it up and sell it.
Look at that.
And that looks exactly like the stuff we bought. And how does it smell?
Wow, that is awesome, man. All right, y'all ready to go? Let's see if we can light this thing. All right, here we go, guys. Showtime.
This little bowl of... Oh, I see. You're going to try to light that.
Yes.
I gotcha. I just have to have an opinion. What is that little silver thing, honey?
I found it in the dump. I don't know. Man, look at that fire starter straight out of the woods. That's a fire starter right there.
We're homesteaders.
All right.
Not.
So let's get our torch and get out of here.
Let's get our pine log and hit the road. Thanks for watching, guys.